All right, this next problem, they're asking for the number of grams in each quantity. Okay, so the number of grams in a given quantity. Okay, so my answer is going to be in grams, right? That is my ultimate ending is going to be in grams. So the one that we are going to do, again, these are not in your book. These are examples outside of your book because I want you to be able to work the problems that are in the section reviews and the chapter reviews. So these are examples. So let's say they say I have 2.5 moles of sodium chloride, okay? So I need to get from moles to gram, right? We know how to do that. Up in the last problem, we were in grams and we were moving to moles, right? So remember, we can look at our molar mass. I've got sodium, I've got one of those, and I've got one chlorine, right? And the molar mass of sodium, I'm gonna look in the back of my book at my periodic table, is 22.99 grams per mole. And my molar mass of chlorine is 35.45 grams per mole. Okay, there's only one of each, so I don't need to do any multiplication there. I'm gonna add those up. So my total grams per mole in sodium chloride is 58.44 grams per mole. And I have 2.5 moles of it. So they wanna know how many grams, right? So I'm gonna rewrite my problem, 2.5 moles. We always start off with what we have. And I'm gonna put that over 1 because I can put anything over 1. And my moles, I'm gonna want my moles on the denominator so I can cancel them out. So I'm gonna say then 58.44 grams per mole. And the reason why we do that is because it's easier than to know, gosh, am I gonna divide by this number or am I gonna multiply by this number? Whenever you're able to have your conversion factor and know what you wanna cancel, it very easily tells you if you're gonna multiply or divide, right? So I'm gonna cancel out my moles and I'm left with 2.5 times 58.44. Okay, I'm gonna plug that in the calculator and I get a big number, but I'm going to do only four significant figures, because again, this is a counted number. Whoops, sorry about that, guys. My answer that I got whenever I plugged it in is 146.1 grams of sodium chloride. Right, I'm gonna double check. I'm in grams. Yep, because I canceled my moles, and that's what I wanted. I wanted my answer in grams. So I am good. So I have 146.1 grams of sodium chloride.